In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense with Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to save your expense so it shows up correctly in your books. This walkthrough keeps things simple and focuses on the essentials, so you can get in, record the cost, and move on with your day. Start by opening Zoho Books and looking to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon, which is your shortcut for creating new transactions. Click that plus icon, and from the list that appears, go to the Purchases category. Under Purchases, choose Expenses. This takes you straight to the expense transaction form, which is where you'll enter the details of the cost you're recording. On the expense form, begin with the date. Pick the date the expense actually happened or the date you want it to appear in your accounts. Using accurate dates helps your reports line up with reality, especially when reconciling statements or reviewing monthly spending. If you're catching up on past expenses, make sure the date falls in the correct reporting period. Next, choose the expense account. This tells Zoho Books how to categorize the cost, whether it's travel, meals, software, utilities, or another expense category you've set up. Select the account that best matches the nature of the expense so your reports remain clean and consistent. Good categorization makes it far easier to analyze where your money goes and to prepare for tax time. Now, enter the amount. Type the total you paid for the expense. If your organization uses multiple currencies or taxes, you'll see fields that reflect your settings. Simply follow your usual policy for currency and tax selection. It's a good idea to double-check the amount before moving on, especially if you're entering several expenses at once. At this point, you've covered the key details: the date, the expense account, and the amount. If you see optional fields like a description or reference, feel free to add brief notes for future clarity, but they're not required to complete the entry. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your expense is now recorded and reflected in your books and reports. Taking a few extra seconds to verify the date, category, and amount upfront will save you time later and keep your financial data accurate. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to record expenses quickly and confidently in Zoho Books.